Are you tired of feeling cramped in your small kitchen? Do you dream of having a spacious culinary haven but feel trapped by your limited square footage? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of small kitchen storage solutions that will revolutionize your space and transform your cooking experience. First up, let's talk about vertical storage. Your walls are prime real estate in a small kitchen. Open shelves not only provide easy access to your essentials, but also create an airy, spacious feel. And don't forget about wall-mounted organizers. They're perfect for storing everything from knives and pots to spices and utensils. Next, let's tackle those cabinets. Pull-out organizers are a game-changer, making even the deepest, darkest corners accessible. And don't overlook your cabinet doors. They're perfect for hanging small items. Customize your cabinet interiors with dividers and organizers to maximize every square inch. Now, let's uncover some hidden gems in your kitchen. Those awkward corners and narrow gaps? They're storage goldmines. Use lazy Susans or pull-out corner organizers to transform these tricky spaces. And for those narrow gaps, a slim rolling cart can be a lifesaver. In a small kitchen, every piece needs to earn its keep. Consider a kitchen island with built-in storage. It's extra counter space and storage all in one. And when it comes to appliances, think compact and multifunctional. A pressure cooker that's also a slow cooker and rice maker? Yes, please. Remember, the key to a tidy kitchen is regular decluttering. Implement the one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring in, one has to go. Set aside time for regular purging sessions to keep your space efficient and clutter-free. Let's sprinkle in some clever hacks. Try using tension rods under the sink for hanging spray bottles. Install a ceiling pot rack to free up cabinet space. Add magnetic strips to your fridge for spice storage. Create a versatile storage wall with a pegboard. And don't forget to utilize over-the-door organizers for pantry items or cleaning supplies. These small changes can make a big impact in your kitchen. Don't forget about your fridge and freezer. Clear, stackable containers will maximize visibility and space. Organize by food type to reduce waste and make meal prep a breeze. No built-in pantry? No problem. Install narrow shelves or a tall cabinet to create your own pantry area. Clear labels and organized categories will make meal planning and grocery shopping a snap. Invest in space-saving accessories like a cutting board that fits over your sink, or a wall-mounted fold-down table for extra counter space when you need it. With these strategies, your small kitchen can rival even the most spacious culinary havens. Remember, the key is to make every inch count and regularly reassess your storage needs as they change over time. If you enjoyed this video and want more home organization tips, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more videos soon to help you make the most of your living space. Until next time, happy organizing!